loaded.
That's the problem.
Yeah, and it's insert hasn't got a hold of the thing anymore. I'm not put them back in there. Fill that with foam, put a new hole in, the nut and bolt through it to support it. I'll put an extra one through as well because there's already holes there. You can see what I've done, that's original. Realistically I could put a plate on them as well just to support them a bit better. But
this one looks a bit dodgy as well, to be fair.
yeah, that's what I wondered. And just put a couple more things in. This one's right at the edge, so I can't really, I'm going to have to judge it. And so it's there, and it's there, so it's straight down there. Perfect. Then I've got some nuts and bolts which I bought. No, you know the stuff that I bought. Right, that's too deep. So what I need to do is that one through the hole. Down up to there. So it's about an inch off. So an inch off. I need to cut them. And then put that there, like that, and then this one was there, but I think this one's too short, so I think we need a new bit for that. For the carpet, yeah, it's going to be like that, isn't it? Probably could do with. See if it goes in.
What do you mean, see if it goes in? Oh, see if it will go in.
More. Yeah. See, even that just straight away. Because even just then it's just being held on with that bit of metal which is bracing it.
You didn't drill into this.
Through, is it?
No.
Oh, it's in the metal. That's why. Because it's quite close to that. Put this in there. So it doesn't move. So I mean, it's a little bit short at the sides. That's no, though, is it? Two side bits.
Well, give us wiggle room because we need to move it. Might need to move it for that.
Then I'm going to take this off. And that's going to be like that. So that's going to be that hole. that hole. That will go on top there like that. The holes will line up. Just the one if I make the hole big enough. Come on. For God's sake. Just tighten this hole. Another bolt. Them both through the floor, on through to the bracket, which is right through the middle of the bracket, and then obviously when I've done that, then this one will just be screwed back on. Like that, over the top, that'll just be screwed on there, and it means I can still open this bit like that, and we'll just put our thing back on there, and right, so I'll plate in there, pop a hole in, right, so that there, and then that there, and that there. So that there needs to be filled with the foam, that tiny hole, just before
Too quick.
and that's it.
The one that sticks up.